Today, I want to share the story behind my decision to retire, the struggles that brought me here, and the dreams I worked so hard to accomplish. This is my story. Before I reach my 60s, I often ask myself, when will be the right time for me to retire? I had been working and carrying responsibilities for so many years that I started dreaming about different kind of life, a life with less pressure, less stress, and more time to simply enjoy my days. My life in Canada was not always easy. I was married for 20 years before I got divorced. After my divorce, I raised my three children on my own. My youngest was only 4 years old at that time, and I also had the responsibility of bringing my special child to Canada. For 5 consecutive years, I was in and out of court because of issues with my ex husband and child support. Financially, it was very difficult. There were times when I felt so overwhelmed that I wanted to go back to Philippines and live a peaceful life, but I couldn't. I had children to raise, I had responsibilities to my family. I wanted to help my special child. I wanted to help my nieces and nephew finish college and support my family back home. Sometimes one job was barely enough to pay the rent and our daily expenses. I worked hard and almost never stopped. I worked early mornings, I worked late, I worked extra hours. I spent so much time in front of the computer working with numbers that sometimes my eyes were always red from exhaustion. And I remember thinking, is this really how my life is going to be? I kept going. When I decided to have only one job so I could spend more time with my youngest daughter, I started doing craft shows. At that time, craft shows became my little escape from stress. It was something I truly enjoyed. Little by little, I started accomplishing the things I had dreamed about. Before retirement, I refinanced my house so I could prepare for the future. I bought out my ex husband's share of our family property in the Philippines and renovated the house so I could live comfortable there during the winter when I retire. I also fulfilled a promise I made to my father. When he was alive, he asked me to help my nieces and nephew to go to university because my brothers couldn't afford to send them to university. I kept that promise. Today, they have finished college and are working. That makes me very happy because I know I was able to help change their future. I also had another dream to have a memorial lot for my family. That dream was accomplished too. When I look back at everything, I realized something. Even after refinance my house, I had planned carefully enough that I could still manage my expenses with my passive income when I retired. So I started asking myself, what am I waiting for? I wanted to stop waking up early every morning. I wanted to stop driving through the snow during winter. I wanted to stop worrying about the stressful environment at work and carrying so much responsibility on my shoulders at work. I wanted time for myself, time for my children, time to travel, time to create, time to enjoy the simple things in life. For so many years, I felt like I had so many plates on my shoulders. I didn't want to spend the rest of my life only working and worrying. That's why I wanted to retire early. Not because I was lazy, not because I didn't want to work anymore. I wanted to retire because I wanted to finally have a life and enjoy whatever time is left for me. I had already spent so many years taking care of everyone else. I felt that it was finally time to take care of myself. So I planned everything, and amazingly, everything happened almost exactly the way I hoped it would. All the dreams I had before retirement started becoming reality. Now I am simply waiting for the right time to begin this new chapter. My motto has always been time is gold. And I believe that everything happens in God's perfect time. I planned my retirement, but I also learned that I don't have to force the timing. I have done my part. I prepared, I kept my promises, I took care of my family. And now I'm ready to enjoy the life I worked so hard for when the right time comes. This is my retirement journey, and this time I want to slow down, breathe, and enjoy every moment. But when will I can actually retire? If you'd like to come along with me as I begin this new chapter, my retirement life, my handmade business, my craft shows, my travels, and the simple moments that makes life meaningful, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for being part of my journey. Until next time, take care, enjoy life, and remember everything happens in God's perfect time.